eat! Let's eat! Wow, sarap.
My gosh, it's so healthy. First time
Healthy.
ko, first time.
Yan. Dinner. Sarap ng dinner, oh. Kimchi, egg, and kamote, sweet potato, and cucumber. Yan, kay Madam. Hapunan. Ito yung sa'yo to. Sa'yo itong maliit. Sa akin itong malaki. How many egg you have? Tatlo tayo. Okay. Yan, pwede na yun sa akin. Isang kamote, tapos ito. Kimchi. Sarap ng kimchi, guys.
Smart. Seasons.
Hapunan namin ito.
Gabi na?
Dinner. Ay, dinamihan mo ng egg.
Yeah, that's yours.
Kunti lang egg.
Or,
Tama na yun. Sarap ng kimchi. Yan. Kuha ka na sa yung kimchi. May kamote.
oops.
Yan. Dinner, guys. Dinner. Thanks for watching.
Looking at the nature-based solutions, they are like an umbrella of different solutions that they might have been implemented or they are going to be implemented. But the first question that we asked was, which one of these solutions or strategies are most effective if we want to use them to reduce carbon emissions in our cities? If we are looking at different solutions just individually, so maybe their impact is minor, it's not that big.